Imagine waking up tomorrow knowing you have three unstoppable ways to grow your income without quitting your job. These are strategies anyone can start, and they could change your life in 2025. Let me show you how. Welcome to the Rich Young and African YouTube channel. I'm here to help you unlock financial freedom with practicable, actionable tips. Today, I'm sharing three powerful side hustles that can transform your finances. So make sure you watch to the end. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay inspired on your journey to financial freedom. Now, let's dive into the three side hustles that will boost your income in 2025. Hustle number one, freelancing. Freelancing is an excellent side hustle for boosting income due to its flexibility, accessibility, and demand. With platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, you can connect with global clients seeking skills like writing, graphic design, programming, and digital marketing. AI tools streamline tasks, make it easier to deliver high quality work faster. Freelancing allows you to monetize your expertise, set your rates, and work on projects that fit your schedule. It's a scalable way to supplement income or transition to full time self employment. The best part? You can earn in dollars while living and working from Nigeria. Hustle number two, selling digital products. Creating and selling online courses or ebooks is a lucrative way to earn income by sharing your expertise with global audience. Courses and ebooks require upfront effort but offer long-term passive income potential. For example, my book, Rich, Young, and African, available on Amazon, Robin Heights, and Seller, teaches practical wealth creation strategies. You can expand on such lessons by creating a course or ebook tailored to your audience needs. With digital platforms, you can reach thousands, establish authority, and build a loyal community. Start your journey by grabbing a copy of Rich, Young, and African to unlock actionable insights and begin your path to financial freedom. Visit jpatuae.com/book for more info. Hustle number three, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based income strategy where you earn commission by promoting products or services you trust. By partnering with companies or platforms offering affiliate programs, you receive a unique link to share with your audience. When someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. This side hustle is flexible and scalable, requires minimal upfront investment. You can promote products through blogs, social media, or YouTube channels. For instance, if you resonate with the wealth creation principles in Rich, Young, and African, available on Amazon, Robin Light, and Seller, you can recommend it to others and earn through affiliate links from these platforms. It's a great way to monetize your influence while sharing value. I urge you to choose a side hustle that aligns with your skills and interests and begin to monetize it today. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, visit jpatuae.com/book for more information about my book, Rich, Young, and African, a practical guide to wealth creation.